What is it? It is a Honda ACTY Kei van. 660 cc's of Honda Fury. Oh yeah. ACTY. So this one's kind of unique because it has AC and it has a manual transmission. So it's just a little, fairly little van in here. It has kind of one cool part is that it has dual sliders. So the rear doors here, or these side doors, they both slide, and let's see, it goes like up, and that's it. So it does have a rear seat, and it's locked. Oh, there, that's how it unlocks, like that. So, and like I said, it has kind of a lot of room for a little tiny thing that it is. 12 valves, 660 cc's. So as I said, the dual sliders make it pretty convenient. You can get all the way through on it. And I think we have this for sale for $79.95. It's located here in Cypress, California. And I said, if somebody's looking to buy it, you can go on our website at importedvehicle.com and you can get it. All right, thank you.